If you can't send a iMessage on your iPad, I show you how you need to fix. The very first thing is head to settings, scroll down to the way end and open apps, scroll down here and open the message app and turn on the internet connection and make sure it's turned on iMessage. And the important thing is open this send and receive, and here you need to select your phone number. You need to get verified this tick mark like this. So this is the very must option. You need to get this tick mark over the number, your phone number. Now after this, after you turn on that option, if you try to send an iMessage, it will send us an iMessage. But if the receiver didn't have the iMessage facility, for the receiver it will shows up like this. It's a normal message like that. So this is how it works, and if you want to know more videos about iPad, you need to watch this playlist.